A very good morning to my children. Take out your math book, page number 89. In the last video, we started a new chapter, division. So I explained you till page number 88. So now today we will do page number 89. Okay, let's see. Division using the number line. Division using the number line. Suppose a rabbit makes jumps of 2 from 10 to 0. Suppose a rabbit makes jumps of 2 from 10 to 0. So let's see. See, we see this number line is from 0 to 11. So a rabbit makes a jumps of 2. So means 2 jumps he makes from 10 to 0. From 10. So from starting 10 to 0. So 2 jumps. So 1, 2. Again 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2 till 0. So how many jumps did he make? 1 jump, 2 jump, 3 jump, 4 jump, 5 jumps. The rabbit makes 5 jumps. How many jumps can it make? Now see, it can make 10 divided by 2 equals to 5 jumps. How many jumps? 5 jumps. 1 jump, 2 jump, 3 jump, 4 jumps, 5 jumps. 5 jumps as shown in the figure, as you can see. Now also we note that, now see, also in this way also we can note it. 10 minus 2. So starting from 10 minus 2. 2 jumps it is said, no? So minus 2. 1, 2 minus. Where we reach? We reach at 8. So equals to 8. So it is 1 jump. 1 jump. Again, now from 8 minus 2. 1, 2. We get 6. So 8 minus 2 equals to 6. So how many jumps the rabbit made? 1, 2 jumps. 2 jumps. Now again from here 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 we get 4. 6 minus 2 equals to 4, which is 1 jump, 2 jump, 3 jumps. 3 jumps. And again 4 minus 2 we get 2. 4 minus 2 equals to 2, which is 4 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4 jumps. 4 jumps. Now 2 minus 2 which equals to 0. Until here we get 5 jumps. 1 jump, 2 jump, 3 jumps, 4 jump, 5 jumps. So 5 jumps. Okay. We see that if we subtract 2 from 10 5 times, we reach at 0. We reach at 0. This shows that division is repeated subtraction. Division is repeated subtraction. Now turn to page 90. Division using multiplication tables. Now division using multiplication tables. Problem: divide 10 by 2. Divide 10 by 2. That is 10 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2. Now solution, let's see. Write the problem as shown below. So in this way we'll solve this. Okay. So we'll make like this box, and divisor 2 will write outside and dividend 10 will write inside. So now we have to read the multiplication table of 2 till you reach 10. Till you reach 10. That is, see it is shown here. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So we'll get 10 when we multiply by 2. When we multiply by 5. 2 multiplied by 5 equals to 10. So 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10. So we write 2 5s are 10. And here we write 0 because 10 minus 10 equals to 0. Okay. So this is division using multiplication table. Now next example again we have, let's see. Problem: divide 15 by 3. That is 15 divided by 3. Solution: write the problem as shown below. So we'll write in this way: 3 divisor 3 outside and 15 dividend inside. So read the multiplication table of 3 till you reach 15. That is 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. So we get 15 when we reach at 5. So 3 5s are 15. See, 3 5s are 15. 15 minus 15 equals to 0. So here you have some work to do. Divide in your notebook. See, 20 divided by 5. This means I'll show you here 20 divided by 5. So we'll make like this. So we'll write 5 here and 20 inside. So now we'll multiply now. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. We get 20 when we multiply 5 with 4. So 5 4s are 20. So 20 minus 20 is equals to 0. So you will do this work in your notebook in this way. Okay. So I hope you have understood it. So you will write down this, divide in your notebook, this work 1 2 3 4 in your notebook. Okay. So this much for today. Thank you.